The reason I'm saying this is, let's say you were driving, you were like, yeah, these puts are great all day, right? Woo. And then you don't have a stop in. If you don't have a stop in and you're in here and you're like, oh, okay, it's still okay. Well, I hope it's okay. Well, I don't know. This isn't good. We'll wait for the 200. Oh, well, it's just past the 200, but that's okay. Right? It's like the longer you sit in this, the more you're going to get crushed. And this is all within 8 minutes. You had 8 minutes. If you move your stops, right? Let's say I had a stop right here. If we start hand manipulating, then I moved it here and then I moved it here. And I'm like, oh, it'll come back. And then I moved it here. Look at what we're doing to ourselves. It's better to take the loss, even if it's substantial. It's better to take the loss where you originally wanted it. And I don't care if, right, I bought all this down here, it comes up and it stops me out, and then it goes, oh, I knew it was going to go there. You can't do that to yourself.
Because you don't know.
Yeah, that's right. You can never, ever second guess yourself. Put in a hard stop. You put it there for a reason, right? If you didn't put it there, then it wouldn't have mattered. But since you put it there, you were looking at everything. You were identifying something and then figure out why, what, when, how, and why you put it there. Because that way, next time you might go, all right, the stop probably shouldn't have been this tight, but for sure, right, when it hit this key critical level, that's where I should have been. Because maybe it touches like up here and then it pulls back. Then you can identify, why did I have a stop at, whatever level I did it at, right? That will help you to learn.